in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Hennepin County, north central Scott County, northern Carver County, until 12:45 a.m. At 12:10 a.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mayer, or 19 miles south of Buffalo, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Expected hazards include ping-pong ball-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. This severe thunderstorm will be near Waconia around 12:15 a.m. Mound and St. Bonifacius around 12:20 a.m. Chaska, Chanhassen, and Victoria around 12:25 a.m. Carver and Excelsior around 12:30 a.m. Eden Prairie around 12:35 a.m. Shakopee and Prior Lake around 12:40 a.m. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Lake Waconia, Flying Cloud Airport, Greenwood, DeFaven, and Shorewood. This includes Mystic Lake Casino. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.